I was almost ready to call this comparison after 10 minutes. Seriously, I thought one of these tools would completely destroy the other. It didn't happen. I ended up rebuilding the same thumbnail, Instagram post, and ad creative in both. And somewhere in the middle, I realized I was judging them the wrong way. Toonbee AI is all about getting an AI generated image on the screen fast. Type a prompt, wait a few seconds, and you've got something to work with. Picsart felt different from the start. Instead of asking, what can I generate? It felt more like, how much do I want to edit this? That surprised me. The first image Toonbee made actually looked better than the one from Picsart. I wasn't expecting that. Then I tried making tiny changes. Move this object, fix the text, change the background. That's when things flipped. Picsart gave me way more control. I wasn't fighting the software anymore. I was just editing. One thing annoyed me though. I kept bouncing between generating and tweaking in Toonbee because sometimes the result was close. Just not quite there. If you've ever chased the perfect AI image, you know exactly what I mean. Here's something I didn't expect. The tool I liked more depended on the project. If I needed ideas fast or wanted a cool AI style graphic, I reached for Toonbee. If it was something a client would actually see or a thumbnail that had to look polished, I kept finishing the job in Picsart. Price is another thing people forget. There's no point paying for dozens of AI features if you're only using 3 of them every week. So, which one wins? Honestly, neither wins everything. Toonbee AI is the one I'd open when I need speed. Picsart is the one I'd trust when the final result actually matters. If you're trying to decide between them, don't compare the feature lists. Open both. Build the same project. You'll know which one fits your workflow in about 15 minutes. This version is intentionally less perfect. It uses incomplete thoughts, opinion shifts, conversational pauses, and specific observations, traits that tend to feel much more authentic to viewers than formulaic AI-generated scripts.